I'm going to take you behind the scene of how I make one of my best sellers. So, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well. It is wonderful to have you here. And if you're new to my channel, then a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Ruth. I am the founder and formulator of Afroshi hair and skincare products here in Australia. And I would love you to subscribe. Remember to leave any comments or any questions that you may have. It would be wonderful to have you here on my YouTube channel, and I would love your support. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you behind the scene of how I make one of my best sellers. Okay, now this particular product is amazing. This product is for detangling your hair, it is for cleansing your hair, it is for washing your hair. It's a 3-in-1 product, okay, and it does all those things. So the name of this product is my Detangler Cleanser and Conditioner. So I'm going to take you behind the scene just to show you and for you to just have a look and to get a little glimpse of how much love and care and passion that goes into making this product. Okay, so yeah, all right, let's dive right in. Alright, so my Detangler Cleanser Conditioner Co-Wash, like I said, is a 3-in-1, and I have it in different sizes. So I have the little sample in the jar there for free, so it's free sample. Then I also have my starter pack trial sizes in the smaller one, and then the 300 and the 500 and the 1 liters. Okay, so you can also have it in a cleanse and co-wash pack or a deep treatment pack. And yes, I have vegan formula, gelatin free, original formula with gelatin, and starter pack sizes and trial sizes, like I said, and also regular sizes. So lots and lots of options there for you. And of course, my Afroshi products are for curly, wavy, kinky, coily, and locks. And as you see, I showcase it on my hair, my whole family, and my wonderful customers. So if you are, if you want to get some stuff for your curly, wavy, kinky, coily hair, Afroshi, we are here for you. Okay. Alright, yeah, so my products are formulated and handmade by myself with love and care in Australia. You can go over to my afroshi.com to check out my about page and find out more information. Alright, so I'm going to add some natural and organic ingredients that will repair, restore and rejuvenate curly, wavy, kinky, coily and locks hair as well. So here I go. Remember, it's just a little glimpse just for you to see what I do. So my ingredients are natural and organic. They are free of parabens, silicones and sulfates, and of course vegan friendly, cruelty free, and they are just beautiful and marvelous. The difference in your hair, as you're washing your hair, you feel that difference. Your hair will be very soft and moisturized. Also, I have an A to Z list of ingredients and also ingredients on each of the products, so you can find out more, of course, on my website. So like I was saying, your hair will feel that beautiful softness, it will feel moisturized, and it does not strip the natural oils in your hair, but it will actually cleanse your hair and moisturize and hydrate. So at Afroshi, we're all about healthy hair journey. If you have long hair, if you have short hair, if you've got medium hair, it does not matter. Okay, curly, wavy, kinky, coily and locks. You are going to love Afroshi. It's all about the journey, and it's all about looking after and managing your hair. Okay, all right. So yeah, so here I am, and this product is a 2 days process. Okay, 2 days it takes me. So here we are again, all my different sizes. Feel free to check out my website. Remember, you feel free to check it if you want to. If not, no worries at all. There are many brands out there for you to choose from. All right, so here are some videos for 2B to 4C hair. The links are going to be in the description, so feel free to check them out. And if you're interested, you can find me at afroshi.com. Guys, I hope you really really enjoyed that video, and I hope it just shows you how much I love making my hair and skincare products. And it is a real love affair, you know, it really is. I absolutely love it, and my customers from Australia and all around the world tell me how much they love AfroShe as well. So if you haven't tried it, be sure to go over to my website afroshe.com and you will see all my amazing products there, okay? And yeah, if you have not subscribed, please do so. I would love your love and support. And if you haven't commented, feel free to do so, and be sure to share this video with your family and friends. And yeah, remember, if they've got curly, wavy, kinky, coily hair or locks, they can also use AfroShe. And if they have dry skin, eczema or psoriasis, they can also use my skincare products. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you stay well. Bye for now.